There are so many girls out there like you who don't like to do makeup, who don't like something on their face, who want to be very natural. I can totally understand because I also in the very beginning used to think how can makeup be so beautiful because I don't like any other texture on my skin. But after learning makeup and understanding how we can modify makeup according to our own personality, according to our own style, I have now started loving makeup and doing it on a daily basis. Particularly today I am going to share with you a very minimal look where people who don't like makeup also can do it and feel very comfortable. So today this look which I have created is almost like a very natural look with not too many colors on the face, and let me share this look with you and I hope you will like it and start doing makeup and liking makeup. So if you are a no makeup person and you really don't like that textured look on your skin, then today now I am going to tell you all the steps to do a very natural finish with the makeup. And the first thing which we need to start is with priming our face. Now for this you not necessarily have to buy a primer, but sometimes a moisturizer also works very well as a primer. Today I am going to use this Embryolysys cream which works both as a moisturizer and a primer and gives a very nice finish to the skin, and it's a very lightweight product. So I take the cream in my hand and put it nicely on my face. I gently massage it in. Skincare comes before our makeup. Anyway, you need to do a very nice moisturizing of your face on a daily basis. And if the skin is nicely hydrated and moisturized, the makeups become very natural. For the foundation today, I have taken this Bobbi Brown stick. It's a very lightweight, very easy to apply product. I can just take it in my fingers and apply it. If you don't have brushes, you can just take it in your finger and just spread it. Since the skin is nicely moisturized, it spreads very nicely and it gives a very sheer coverage. So I can do like this, or if you have a foundation brush, you can also apply it with your foundation brush. So either ways it works fine, either with your finger or with a brush. So let me show you half face with this foundation and half face without the foundation, and you will be able to see that there is not much difference, but yes, you will see some finishing to the face. Now I have applied the foundation on this half and this is without the foundation, but you cannot see like a very big difference in the color or in the texture. But yes, there is more smoothness, shine and finishing on this side rather than this side. So I'll just finish with my foundation. Now if you are a no makeup person, then maybe it's like you do not like the concealers and you feel that they're too much on the face and visible. But today I'm going to show you this Bobbi Brown concealer. It's a full coverage concealer, but it is a very light concealer and I like to apply it with my fingers. So I just take a little bit. You can avoid this step if you feel that you don't have any under eye darkness to conceal or anything. You can just skip this step. But if you have some coverage to be done, then you can apply a very little quantity of the concealer like I'm putting. And I like to just blend it with my fingers only. So I just dab it with my fingers for a very light and sheer coverage. So I normally use these Krylon powders, which are very fine micronized powder particles, and they are very sheer coverage. They don't have color in them, and when we apply them it doesn't feel like we have put anything, but it just sets the base and gives a nice smoothness. So this is the powder, and for this I would definitely like to use a brush because I can't apply the powder with the finger or with hands. So I take little bit of powder and just apply a very little quantity under my eyes As you can see, there is not much there, but I just dab it a little bit on my face just to set the whole thing. Now we are done with our face skin. Let's start with our eye makeup. The first thing which I like to do in my eye makeup for a very minimal look is my eyebrows, and I like to use my Brocara, which is a gel which sets my eyebrows. And sometimes pencils, or when we try to fill our eyebrows, it looks like we have done too much. This just puts my all my hair in the upward direction and open my eyes, and I like to use this more on a daily basis. Also, when you are in a hurry and you have to get ready for office or a morning meeting, and this is a great tool to use for your eyebrows. So let's start with this. I just brush it up. So this is it, that's it, and we are done with the eyebrows. Obviously we'll have to clean if you put a little somewhere else. Yeah, so that's done with my eyebrows. Very simple. Now for my eyes, I really recommend that if you want a very natural look, then you should buy something like these eye pencils. These eye pencils give a very sheer coverage. So I just take it in my finger and I just apply it all over my lids. So I just apply it all over my lids. So it just gives a little sheen. You can only see it when the light hits your eyelid, and it looks very gorgeous. So I have finished with my eyelids, and you can see it's nice, very subtle, no color almost. Now the next step which I really like to do is my mascara. But before the mascara, let me curl my lashes. When I curl my lashes, the eyes really open up. Now this may look like a very dangerous tool, but it is nothing like that. I just very lightly put my lashes between these two bars, and I will just press and curl these lashes up. After that, I'd use my favorite Estee Lauder mascara. You can take any mascara which you like and just apply it. So let me first curl my lashes before applying the mascara. They are nice curled up now, and I will now apply my mascara. I really love this mascara. I like to put it very fine coat, separating each lash. But if you like the nice thick look, then you can apply one more coat over it. And I also like to apply on my lower lash. So very little, so that it's just a little bit there, because I don't like to do the liner. So for me, mascara is the last step for my eye makeup, and it gives a very natural, nice finished look. After the eye makeup, I really like to apply my blusher. This is my Fit Me blusher from Maybelline, and give a little rosiness to the skin. I apply it with my blusher brush. Take a very little quantity, and I just like to dab it for a very natural finish. So this gives a nice, very natural rosy color, which feels like it's coming out from the skin. Now for my lips, I like to apply my lip gloss. It's a subtle, nice nude, but it's a pink, and I just like to apply a very thin layer of this gloss on my lips. I don't like very dark colors. You can use anything that you like. I like to dab this and spread it nicely with my fingers. So the look is almost finished. Now one thing which I recommend, which you can use, but it's your choice completely, a highlighter. A highlighter in a liquid form works better than a highlighter in a powder form. The powder form highlighter is more visible than the liquid ones. So I like to use this illuminator, and you can see it doesn't have that much color. You just take a little bit and just with your fingers, just dab it a little. And this is much more subtle than the powder ones, and it will just, this area will just shine only when the light hits it, not just when you are just seeing me like this. So we just apply a little bit of highlighter, and with one finger I apply it, the other clean finger I just blend it. So I hope after looking at this makeup look, you will change your mind and start doing a little bit of makeup. See, makeup is something which is very, very beautiful, and it has lot of power in it. But yes, everybody has their own style, and you need to make the makeup suit to your style. I hope you like this video and you will share with your friends. Do give me a comment below and write to us what you like, what you want to learn more in makeup. See you in my next video. Till then, take care.